You can see here, this is also map that VPN application, very easy to use. And all you have to do is tap on the connection button here. As you can see where the R is pointing, and here just ask for connection request. Tap on OK, and it will be connected in less than a second. So it's a very, very decent speed VPN, I'm not gonna lie. Don't here you have the option to add or watch ads to add time. Here you get 3 minutes of connection time, which is, to me, is pretty much cruel. Just 3 minutes, bro? No. You're gonna need more of like 30 minutes at least. So I'm not sure why they have like just 10 minutes there, but you're gonna need to watch an ad to get 3 minutes connection time. And if you do tap on the server option down here, you can select which server you want to use. Let's say you want to try out the France server. But this section here only shows when you have connected to the VPN application. So if you want to change servers or select server, you have to connect to the application first before you'll be able to see this section here. So let's say I want to connect to France, just tap on the France option there, and we'll just carry me back here, and all I have to do is tap on the connection button again, and I'm pretty much good to go. So I need 24, bro, this is crazy, bro. But anyways, if you have any problems, guys, let me know in the comment section.